Hey, what's good, Joy? Hold on, y'all see me? All right, what's good, man? We back. We got another banger video today, man. As y'all can see, if y'all look around, bro, it's fucked up outside, bro. Y'all see, I'm bundled up. I got on big ass. I got like 4 layers on. Feel me? I got the ski mask on, the hoodie, man. But look, man, y'all ain't coming for all that. Before we get into this video, though, if you're new, subscribe and like, comment, and what else? Oh, share the video too, man. But today, y'all see, I got my blacked out Dodge Charger RT. It's not blacked out right now because I got them ugly ass. Oh shit, nigga, nigga almost fell. But I got these ugly ass rims on there. Today, we gonna be putting Christmas lights on my blacked out Charger. I've been excited. I was supposed to do this shit yesterday, but I never got around to it. And then I didn't think it was gonna snow like this today. But as y'all can see, the car is covered in snow. So what I'm gonna do is move this into there. I gotta like let it warm up first and everything like that. But I'm gonna move it into the garage and then I'm gonna put a heater or some shit in there because it's cold as hell out here. When I move it in the garage and shit, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Now I got y'all a little cold start. Hold on. It's not gonna stay started though. I don't got no gas or a taking light. I'm gonna clean this bitch off and then move into the garage so that way we can start the video. All right, bro, so it's been probably like 30 minutes or something. I just been trying to dry the car off. Ignore like all the fucking garage and shit. I just been trying to dry the car off though, as y'all could see. It was hella snow on top of it. I think I finally got it like dry enough to put the tape on there and shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting the tape on. I really don't know how to do this at all. I haven't even watched a tutorial. I really think it's just kind of simple. I'm gonna start right here though. I'm gonna go like, probably go like up there type shit and then come back around. I don't know how I'm gonna do this shit. When I start doing it though, you know what I'm saying? When I like put the tape on there and get the plan, everything like that, then I'm gonna pick y'all back up and then y'all gonna see what I did. So give me 1 second, let me figure this shit out and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up. All right, so at first I had got a little fucked up, but I think I'm gonna just do it like this. Let me show y'all. So then this is gonna come out the window like this. And then I'm gonna just wrap it around, feel me, whatever. Y'all see like the trunk's still a little wet a little bit. So I'm gonna start with the fenders or the quarter panel and then I'm gonna go back up that way and then go to this and then probably wrap it around. I don't know. I think I got enough lights to do a decent amount, but if not, I'm gonna just go buy some more. But right now I'm gonna start wrapping these bitches around and then I'm gonna pick y'all up when it look, I guess kind of like how I'm gonna get it. I don't fucking know, bro. I ain't gonna lie. All right, man. It's cold as hell here, but this is a little update. Let me show y'all how far I got. I only did the back so far. And I ran my wire from through the back window like that. And then I started like that. I went in a zigzag. I found that like, you don't gotta really put them like too close because it's hella lights. Down towards the bottom, like as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, hold on. All right, like down towards the bottom, feel me, I put them like a little more close. And then, feel me, we got them on this side too. I'm about to turn them on real quick, just so y'all can see. All right, this is what it look like though, so far. Feel me, it's gonna look better in the dark too, like y'all gotta know that. But this is what we got so far. This shit funny cause I never thought I would be doing no ignorant shit like this. Like, bro, this is so ignorant, like, oh God. This is the most ignorant shit I ever did, but what I'm finna do is, I got another box. That's just one box, so I got another box that's gonna stretch, like, around, you feel me? It's gonna probably stretch from like, I'll say here, and then go like, feel me? Around to like the front of my bumper. Hopefully my bumper pretty much dry. Y'all see, I still some snow down there, but I don't know. After I start doing that, I'm gonna pick y'all back up, and then I don't know. Our dinner might be done or whatever, but hopefully I might go slide later in the parking lot or something. All right, man. Y'all see, this is what we got so far. I'm gonna go get some more. I'm gonna get some more lights so I can do the hood. Yeah, y'all see, I got my nigga Ralph recording and shit. And then I gotta still do this part right here. And I think y'all already seen the oh shit. You already seen the back end shit. I'm gonna turn them bitches on. That shit was. Alright, feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I done did a lot of ignorant shit in my life. This is by far the most ignorant shit I've ever done, bro. But I still ain't done it like I said. I still gotta do the bumper and shit. Like, all that other shit, but as soon as I do that, then I'm gonna pick y'all back up for the last time, and then I'm probably gonna like go slide or something later. I don't know, bro. We finna go to Walmart, get some more lights, and then I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Alright, y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, as y'all can see, it's hella dark outside now. The last clip that y'all saw was probably like 4 hours ago, maybe. I had to end up going to the store to get some more lights. But I'm finally done, and I ain't gonna lie, I love the way it came out. Before I show y'all though, y'all gotta hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna give y'all 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. All right, my nigga, if you not subscribed, if you still ain't subscribed to that, you just a whole ass nigga. But I'm about to show y'all what it look like right now. Boom. That shit tough, bro. That shit tough as hell. So you see, I ain't do my doors because like I ain't know how to do it, like how I should go about it. But tomorrow I probably gonna buy some more, probably do my doors and shit. I'm also gonna do my side skirts down there. Y'all see I kinda just went over the top like that. And I did like my quarter panel, you already seen that. And then I did the back. But tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and do the trunk. Fuck, I keep saying truck. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the trunk and probably my side skirts. I don't know yet, but next time y'all see me, I'm probably gonna be either driving or just getting clips or whatever. Feel me, just so that the video don't end right here. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, my nigga, let the ignorance begin.
Put it on right. Come on.